Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So inshallah today we will continue our lesson for the last part of trigonometry. Okay, so remember today I would like to recall. Okay, we already have solved. Okay, we already have solved the trigonometry equations. When solving the equation, actually we try to find the value of the unknown, and the value of the unknown x may be, okay, may be finding the trigo function itself, or finding where the x can be a trigo function, the value of trigo function itself, or the value of the angle. So that is the main the first part of the questions. Then the second part is you need to know how to sketch the graph and solving the problem involving the graph, the amplitude, the shift of the graph, and so on. Okay, and also a period. Okay, then we also the previous lesson we are solving this kind of questions that involving the basic identities. So this is three basic identities that we have learned and use it to solve it. Okay, now we go to the last part of the trigonometry functions, that is we want to prove these equations. What mean by proving is we want to show the right side, the left side is equals to the left side, or vice versa, the left side is equals to the right side is equal to the left side. Okay, so either you want to remain this part, the right part, and using the left part to getting the right part, or else, okay, or the other way. Okay, so now we go to solving it. Okay, so while we solving it, before I forgot, we may use any kind of the trigonometry definitions and trigonometry basic identities that we have learned. Okay, so we try a simple one question first. Okay, I will show you question B, you try by your own question A. Okay, so let say question B. Question B is cos x or sine x over tangent x equals to 1 minus sine square x. Okay, you can use this left side or remain the right side. Okay, so okay, so if I say that 1 over tangent x, okay, so I remain with this, okay, to get this part. Okay, so for this part, now I know that, okay, so I want to change the tangent. Okay, tangent is sine over cos, so 1 over tangent meaning cos x over sine x. Okay, so cos x over sine x, therefore we know that this can be eliminated, and then we will get cos square x. So we know that from the basic identity, cos square x is equals to 1 minus sine square 1 minus sine square x. So therefore done already, we already proven this part. Okay, so proven lah. So the final answer is proven. Okay, just like that. Okay, simple thing. Okay, so now look at these questions. Okay, you try question C. Okay, I go to question D. Okay, so remember you just use a simple as simple as possible, not thinking too hard. Okay, just use the simple as possible. Okay, look at here. Okay, look at here. You cannot use basic identities here because cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1, not minus. But now you know, you notice that, okay, some what can I say, actually it's a simple questions, but when you not notice it, it will become harder. Okay, so cos square x minus sine square x actually is cos square x minus sine x, cos x plus sine x over the cos x plus sine x. Okay, so here the numerator above, the numerator above, we know that this came from here. Okay, the numerator part. Okay, how I get the idea here, because I saw this is a square and I know that it can be factorized, and I saw this denominator part can be cancelled off if I factorize the numerator part. So then I already solved, not solved yet, but I already simplified it. Remember, when you do the equation, you know where to go and you know that the work can be done. You need to think like a chess playing. You know that they at least have one step forward. Okay, you know that when you do this, you can cancel off. If not, no need to do that thing. Okay, same like this part. Okay, you know when you factor simply you know when you define tangent, you can simplify it. Okay, then no need to think 2 3 step above, just one step above. When you do that, what next? Okay, so and this part, when you factorize, then finally you will get this. So then you know you can cos x minus sine x plus sine x. Then you got cos x. Just as simple as that, is proven. Okay, so for now I will that is the starting. Okay,